In this video, we will introduce you to the improved feature of using selected calculation parameters in scheduling. This feature allows you to see a detailed description of the selected calculation parameters when selecting the parameters for calculation. Let's look at an example. The person responsible is preparing calculation parameters for scheduling. In doing so, they want to recalculate the data so that these take into account the following. The current plan for January. Stock. Sales orders. Purchase orders. Work orders. When selecting a parameter, details about it are written in the Selected Calculation Parameters section. In our case, the current plan parameter states that the calculation will use data from the plan dated the 16th of January 2023. At the same time, it can be seen that stock from two warehouses will be taken into account, material warehouse and work orders warehouse. You can also see which document type for sales orders will be taken into account in the calculation. This ensures control over the selected parameters and data and, consequently, the correctness of scheduling. Thank you for your attention. For further help or advice, please refer to our consultants.